Well, hello Ecamm fam, you made it all the way to the last video in this series and I'm really proud of you. Now that you're creating great content, let's talk about getting it out into the world. Ecamm makes it easy to stream to multiple destinations like YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and more. Today's quick tip is to add multiple destinations, but remember that your internet speed matters. Inside of your preferences, Ecamm includes a speed test that helps you understand what your connection can handle. And if your internet happens to be slower one day, you might just stream at 1080p instead of 4K and choose fewer options. Ecamm helps you find the sweet spot for your setup. So far, all we've been doing is recording, but if you want to also stream, you'll click off this button right here. So go up to here. You're not just recording, but you're going to stream. And you want to make sure that you connect all of your streaming platforms. You'll go up to our preferences and select destinations. You're going to see a bunch of destinations that I've already had connected. Yours will be blank the first time, but then you're going to click on Add New Destination. And you see that we have a number of platforms that are already integrated, but we also have RTMP. So if you're streaming to a website or a software that you don't see here, you might just need to select RTMP, go through that site. I promise you it's not as tricky as it sounds, but you'll connect those there. And what's really cool is once you have all of your destinations connected, is that Ecamm is going to bring in those upcoming live streams. So if I go over here, I can see the live streams that I already set up ahead of time. So now let's say that you're in dual mode and you want to do a live stream where you're streaming to multiple platforms at different dimensions. That's fabulous. You can totally do that. So let's do Ecamm fam's going to be horizontal. And then let's do my Instagram is going to be vertical. And if I had LinkedIn, I could do that too, but let's just do my Facebook group horizontal. So now you add in your titles, your description, your visibility, all of that. And you can either schedule this ahead of time by clicking down here. You add in your thumbnail, or you can just go live now and you'll go live to those platforms. In your preferences, I highly recommend that you check out what type of speed you need in order to multi-stream. So if you go over to shape and size, you can run a speed test. So right now I'm telling Ecamm that I want to stream at 1080p on these 30 frames per second, and that I'm going to stream to 3 different destinations. And it's saying that this is the requirement upload speed, but I could run another speed test just to make sure that I am good to go. Don't skip this step. It's very important. And before we wrap up, there's one more thing I really want to drive home to you. You're now part of an incredible creator community called the Ecamm fam. Creators from all around the world share their ideas, setups, and inspiration every day. So if you're looking for ideas, support, or just some inspiration, follow our Ecamm fam and connect with other creators like you. Keep experimenting, keep creating, and we can't wait to see what you build. Oh, I wanted to add this one other thing. Please make sure that you check out our other tutorials, because what's really important to us is that you feel strong and confident in like the base knowledge and how to create all of this here in Ecamm. We want you to be successful. So take some time, watch our longer tutorials where we really go in step by step how to do things, and be super involved in our community, because if you have a feature request, or if you have a really interesting use case, or if you're trying to figure things out, I guarantee there's someone with answers or someone that could be inspired by what you're creating. So stay in touch with us. We also have office hours, a great support team. We are glad that you're here, and we hope that you are too. I'll talk to you guys soon in the community. Bye.